Hey guys, welcome back to a video. So, this is probably one of our first posts, ever. So, it is Jason from Colette Chaos. So today we are going to be making, butter slime with, it's going to be butter slime and, fluffy slime mix, kind of. So what I'm using for this is glue, Elmer's glue, boom, and then I'm using saline solution, red food coloring, and then also using red clay, and shaving cream. So, let's get started. Okay guys, so, we have all the ingredients now. So, what we're doing first, normally people would use measurements, but what's best for me is just eyeballing it, really. So I'm going to do about 8 fluid ounces of glue. So this is glue all, but the best is school glue. So I think that's about it. That might be a little too much, but it's fine. Just the more glue I add means I'll have to add more stuff. Okay, 1 second. Guys, be quiet!
What?
Be quiet!
Why?
Because I'm making a video. Okay guys, I am back now. So I have my mixing stick and I need baking soda. 1 second. Go.
What?
Can you pass me the baking soda? I'm just going to have Mom edit stuff out. Okay, go.
I'm watching my video.
Alright. Okay guys, you'll also need baking soda. I forgot to get baking soda, but I have it now. So what I'll do is I'll just fill the tip of my stick with baking soda and put it in. So guys, this was the best baking soda I can find. I just buy it from drugstores or stuff, but I bought it from Smith's Food and Drug. Okay, so guys, the best is you don't want your slime bowl to be dirty, or else your slime won't turn out. So yeah. And now what you're going to want to do is add your shaving cream. So just shake it up. Put a lot of shaving cream if you want fluffy slime. So guys, if you guys want to add some decoration to it, glitter, it's fine, but I don't recommend you guys doing it if you're using white glue, because it won't work. So you just want to mix this in till it, you don't see really any more, flakes of shaving cream or something, puffs of shaving cream, and it's supposed to look like this. Okay? Alright, and now I need to add my red clay. You just want to like flatten the clay or like roll it out because you want to warm it up. So what you're supposed to do to where it's like you want to get like the undry so you want to use most of the bag. But I do not recommend you guys using all of it. So I have about this much. And now this is the wetter kind. So this bag has been used for it before for like sun. So that's probably why there's some dry spots. You just want to put it in and mix it in with your slime. So you don't have to mix it in all the way. I don't recommend. Well, I'm not going to say if I recommend you or not, because I'm actually not sure what you're supposed to do. But I know that I've done this before and it has worked. So I'm just going to do it like that. And then when the slime is done and it starts like not sticking to the bowl, I'll start playing with kneading it and stuff. So the reason why you want to warm it up is because it's really, really thick. But yeah, it's fine if you don't. I'm not saying you have to, but you probably should. Okay guys, you want to be careful when you add this kind, because it will make your slime dark. And it will like go into your slime like really fast. So I forgot all about that, because if you haven't noticed, red food coloring doesn't come in most packs of like food coloring packs. But if you do buy this kind, be careful, because it will pour in pretty fast. And what you guys should do with the saline solution, or whatever activator you are using, I would add it slow, because it makes it more stretchy if you add it slower. So I'm using saline solution, but you can also use like 1 cup of hot water and like 1 tablespoon of borax. I would be using that, but I couldn't find it, like the borax water. So once it starts when it starts not sticking to your bowl, you can playing with it or kneading it. I don't recommend you guys kneading or playing with it when it's still sticking to your bowl, because it will just stick to your hands like crazy, and you do not want that. You really don't. So my hands are very sticky right now from this glue. Okay. starting to activate a lot more. So, it may not be that stretchy once, like, the, clay is all mixed in. But you want to mix all of your clay in. Okay, now's the time where you can, start kneading. So guys, if you put too much food coloring, it will stain your hands. But I forgot all about what that red food coloring does, because it's not like any normal food coloring, with the little holes in it. But you just want to knead that clay in. Oh, oops. Okay, I'll see you guys when it's all kneaded in. Okay guys, most of it is kneaded in, but kind of takes a while to all knead in. But it looks really, really cool once it's all kneaded in. I'm sorry for all the noise in the back if you guys hear that. I have so many siblings, 2. That's not that many, but it actually, the slime is turning out really good, better than I thought it would. So, if you guys want to try something different than I did, then go ahead, cause yeah. So, I am almost done kneading it. So butter slime, this is butter slime. Yeah, it is. Mostly butter slime. But, yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm going to try getting the rest of the slime out of the bowl. Which, what you do for that is you just, some activator in the bowl. And, you just, put your slime that you have already made in, and then, yeah. Okay, guys, so that is it for this video. So, this is butter slime and fluffy slime. So if you want to see another video, my sister made one, and this is really cool. So I recommend you guys doing it.
It turned out.
That's how my sister's turned out.
It's pink glitter fluffy slime. And I got pink and that.
Okay, guys. So yeah. Bye.